So welcome viewers to my channel. So here is the June challenge of LeetCode. The question name is search insert position. So the question says given a sorted array and a target value, and we simply have to return the index position of the target value if it is found within the array, or simply we have to return the index position where we can enter the target value within the array. So let's go to the explanation. So here we have three cases. Case 1 where we have the target value inside the given array, and case 2 where the target element is not within the given array, and the case 3 also where the target element is not within the given array. So let's go for one example. So the target value is 5 and we are checking whether the 5 is within the array or not, and here indexing is start from 0. So here we'll simply check whether the target value is equal to the elements of given in the num array, or the target value is less than the current element of the given array. So let's start. So here is the index position 0, the element is 1. We will simply check whether 1 is equal to 5 or not. So 5 is not equal to 1 and 5 is not less than 1. So we go for next element. So 5 is also not equal to 3 and not less than the 3. Now go for the next element. Here comes the 5 equals to the target element 5. So we simply return the index position 2. So here the target element is 2, which is not inside the given array. So let's again start the checking. So 1 is not equal to 2 and 2 is not less than 1. So go for the next element. 2 is not equal to 3 but 2 is less than 3. So we can enter the target element 2 at the index position of the current element, that is 3. So we will simply return the index position 1. So the output is 1. Now where comes the target element is also not in the given array, and the target element 6 is not less than any of the elements of the given array. So we'll simply return the index for last index position plus 1. So here the last index position is 3, so we'll simply return 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now go to the code ground. So here I am coding with the Python 3. So at first I have written a for loop which will iterate for the length of the given array, that is num. So here I am checking whether the target element is equal to the current element, or the target element is less than the current element or not. If any of these conditions satisfied, then we will simply return the current index position, or if the target element is not equal to the any of the given elements or not less than any of the given elements, then we will simply return the last index position plus 1. So here I have written return I plus 1. So let's submit our code. So as we see, my solution got accepted. So if you like my this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe. Thank you.